Well, well, what?
Aren't you gonna say it?
Say what? What do you say when you sneeze, bro?
Don't tell me you don't know.
I don't know.
You have to say Alhamdulillah.
Oh, okay. The next time I sneeze, I will be sure to. Alhamdulillah. Yarhamukallah.
Oh.